नमस्कार दोस्तों। इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस फॉर बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन, that is class 10th mathematics, and here is a chapter number 6, that is triangle. ट्राइंगल्स में जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है आज हम उस पर चर्चा करेंगे। तो आइए लेट अस स्टार्ट। हियर इज द क्वेश्चन। Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at a point O using a similarity criterion for two triangles. Show that is, dear, according to the statement of the question, a trapezium is given and this trapezium divided by diagonals in two triangles. Then prove that, and here is given, that is OA by OC equal to OB by OD. This is the requirement. So how can you prove? So dear, let us start. First of all, you will write here given what is given here. Here is, according to the question, it is clear that given ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC. This is two sides of trapezium and these are parallel. This is given into the question clearly, AB parallel to DC. Okay, and intersect each other at the point O. जो डायगोनल्स हैं वो O पर इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं. ओके, नाउ व्हाट टू डू and what is the requirement to prove that, and this is given that clearly, to prove OA by OC equal to OB by OD. So you will write here that is OA by OC and this just given that OB by OD. This is our requirement. ये हमें प्रूव करना है. Then how can we prove? So dear, first of all we will make the diagram for this. So dear, this is the diagram, that is A, B, C, D. This is a trapezium and diagonal AC and BD intersect at the point O. So this is the intersection point, and this intersection point divide this trapezium in 4 parts, but requirement only 2 parts. This is a first triangle OAB and the second triangle DOC. So what to do in this case? You will take these two triangles, first and second, that is in triangle OAB, that is OAB, and other triangle is OCD. Okay, OCD. So we will write this question in triangle OAB and triangle OCD. First of all, we will mark some symbol here. Let us, dear, this is angle 1. Okay, and this is angle 2. Now let us, this is angle 3 and this one is angle 4. Okay, and let this one is angle 5, and other one is angle 6. Okay, so how will use this symbol? First of all, in these two triangles, that is in triangle OAB and in triangle OCD, we can write that, you can easily observe that this is a symbol of Z, means AB is parallel to DC. So angle 1 and angle 2 are alternate interior angle. So first of all, we will prove these two triangles are similar, and after that we will find the requirement. So this is our requirement. Okay, so here is, you can write that angle 1 equal to angle 2 in these two triangles. आप देखेंगे ट्रायंगल 1 में ये एंगल, ये ट्रायंगल ओ ए बी है, तो ये ट्रायंगल आपका 1 है, और दूसरा ट्रायंगल ओ सी डी है, और ये आपका ट्रायंगल नंबर 2 है. तो ट्रायंगल 1 में ये एंगल 1 है और ये एंगल 2 है. इफ ए बी पैरेलल टू सी डी, then you can write that angle 1 equal to angle 2. Why? Alternate interior angle. So here is the reason, alternate interior angles. This is the first case, and after that moving for next one, this is, you can observe that again AB parallel to CD, so this is the symbol of Z, and when you will get the symbol of Z, alphabet letter, that is Z, you will get there two triangles are two angles are alternate. So angle 3 just equal to angle 4. Again you can write that these are alternate interior angle, that is angle 3 equal to angle 4. So this is alternate interior angle. And moving for next, this is 5 and 6, these are vertically opposite angle in these two triangles. So you can use this also, and you can write here angle 5 equal to angle 6. Vertically opposite angle. If three angles are equal, that is corresponding angles are equal, then you can use here AA criterion. So you can write here by AA criterion or similarity. AAA you can say that these two triangles are similar. Which two triangles? Which you select, that is triangle OAB and triangle OCD. You can OAB similar to triangle OCD. So dear, these two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, then you know by the definition of similarity, their corresponding sides are proportional. So you can see that this is the first side of triangle OAB. So you can write that OA upon OC. This is the first side of the next triangle OCD. So OA upon OC, and in the same way you can write that OB, This is the next one side, OB upon OD. OB upon OD. So you can write these things, or you can use this symbol also. This is OA, means first two letter, and divide by OC. This is the first two letter of the second triangle. So we will write here OA upon OC equal to, and now used first and last letter OB, and here is the first of last letter OD. So you can write that these are corresponding sides OB upon OD. So dear, this is our requirement and this is your answer. So you can write finally, hence proved.